Bitcoin and Ethereum Fluctuate, EOS and sell accelerate. Bitcoin price started a downward move after it failed to surpass $20,500. BTC is currently 1148 UTC, trading near $20,000 and is down almost 2% in a day and 7% in a week. After two rejections near $20,500, Bitcoin price reacted to the downside. BTC declined and traded below the $20,000 level. If the bears remain in action, the price could even test the $19,500 support. The next key support is still near the $19,200 zone, below which the price could test $18,800. An immediate resistance is near the $20,300 level. The main breakout zone is still near the $20,500 level, above which the price might gain bullish momentum. Ethereum price also failed to clear the $1,620 resistance zone. On the upside, the price might face resistance near the $1,600 level. The key barrier is now forming near the $1,620 level, above which ETH may start a steady increase. BNB declined and tested the $275 support level. If there is no recovery wave, the price may perhaps decline towards the $262 support. The next major support is at $250. If BTC continues to follow a bearish path, it could even decline below the $19,500 support zone.